Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
Connect the camera to the NVR. Flip the NVR to the back and connect the power supply, monitor, mouse, all the camera and router in turn.
Connect power to all cameras.
Turn on the NVR.
Wait for the picture to come out.
How to view by app. The first, scan code to download ZOSI Smart app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add NVR device by app. Click plus. Scan the QR code on the NVR. Select PoE NVR. Ensure it is connected and click next. Set a name for the device. Install the camera. Find a suitable installation location. Attach the installation sticker. Drill holes as shown in the picture, and nail in the rubber plugs. Fix the camera to the mounting sticker with screws and adjust it to the right angle.
Add on new cameras.
Before installing, make sure to test the camera first to ensure it's working properly. Step 1. Connect the camera to the NVR using an Ethernet cable. If the camera's indicator light starts blinking, that means it's connected successfully. Right-click on Main menu. Go to IPC channel configuration. Click Search. Once the camera shows up, click Add to connect it to the NVR, and it should appear on the screen.